up guys, welcome back to another new video. Grenade Blaster here. So yeah, it's so windy outside. If you're in the Philippines now, it's windy because even though it's not winter, it's windy because the ice is melting on Russia. And here's my sister, bro.
Hi.
Francesca Sophia. He's also a YouTuber and he doesn't make videos yet. And yes, because yeah, she's too lazy to make some videos. So come, let's join me going around to the village. Let's get. So they're here going around to the village. So yes, we're using a scooter guys, and yeah, this is my scooter being that way. Yes, so there. It's so slippery. It's getting darker outside because it's almost 6 o'clock and we're still roaming around the village. So, maybe it's so windy outside, that's why I'm wearing a jacket. Yes, my sister said it's so windy, so he's just going there. See? Say hi. Bro. We're making musicals after that and then post it on YouTube again. So let's go guys. Roaming around the village too. From here. Not there. Wow. So guys, look. This is the road. So guys, look at that beautiful garden in our neighbor's house. Can you see it? There. Come. So there, look. There. It's so amazing, guys. I love it so much. Yes. And then go. This is the house, yeah. So beautiful, right? Oh, maybe we'll see that. That noise is the scooter, if you heard it or not. Even though, yes, it's getting darker already. Maybe let's just spend more 5 minutes on this. If you can see that house, there's a court in there. Half court, yes. And I play basketball so much. And I love basketball. So let's go. Going to the village. It's so good. So we're here at our village park. You can see it because it's dark already. Look at the sky. So hot. Let's go. Help me up. It's so beautiful in here. It's like nature spring. There's some dogs barking. Can you still see me, guys? It's so dark in here. And it's against the light. So yes. Hey, so did you bring your cell phone? No. Come on, there's a flashlight in there. So guys, this is it. So there you can see the pond, the fish pond, and that's so awesome. Maybe tomorrow I can show you and build another video again. So let's go. So heading back to our house, going back home. horse barking. I mean, not horse. I'm thinking of a horse. Sorry, guys. There's a dog barking. Yeah, very funny. Right, so I'm thinking of horse. Let me show you our house for a while. It's getting darker already, so we need to run back home before it gets darker because of mom, you know. We have some curfew with my mom, and then my phone is freaking low, but it's already 5%, so I need to go back home now. Let's go! Yes, guys, so it's getting darker and darker, so we need to get back early. I need to run. I'm so tired, so maybe let's go faster. This is a car pass. Let's go, Sophie. If you're watching this and you know Rance, Kyle, and Diana, it's my biggest fan ever. So they live here in the Philippines. I live in the Philippines right now. They make musically. I make musically with my sister, and I love it so much. So when I'm walking, I always think of them because I like to make videos like them. So we're still not in home. You can see me right now, so I'm just gonna cut this video. Can you see we're running? I'm running, and my sister is using my other scooter, so we're running like jogging. Let's witness. Hey guys, look at the sunset. You can see it right over there. There's a laser. I can see that guy making a video. There's a laser in there, so he's lasering me. So we're here in our house already. Can you see? So let's go inside and let's see something in my yes. Yeah. And then we're here in our house. So open the lights there. So goodbye guys, gonna charge my phone. Goodbye guys. Yeah. So guys, I'm here in my room, so hope you like and subscribe for my channel. Yeah, so see you next time. Maybe tomorrow I'll make some videos. This is my sister. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so
Finally,
bye.
we're done.